Professional Development video. Today's topic is the Math RTI data sheet. This sheet will take the place of those individual sheets you had to fill out for each student for every math ATM. So without further delay, let's go to the spreadsheet. First, we need to open your Dropbox for your grade. We'll select 3rd grade here as a sample in Math RTI folder. Then we'll click Math RTI data sheet. Once you open the sheet, you will see your students. Obviously, I cannot show you the students' names here, but you can see everything else on the spreadsheet. The first things you will notice are the scores for each of the math probes and the approximate week they were taken. These scores have a color code that follows STAR's color scale. Red is urgent intervention, yellow is intervention, blue is on watch, gray is on the bubble, that means at grade level or slightly above, it's right here, and green is at or above the 67th percentile. And you see gray, it's green there. Every other week as your students take the STAR Math test, please enter their scores in the appropriate column. So if you'll do that, then the column over here to the right will do the averaging of the NPR. So you know if your student is increasing or not. And the color scale for the average is the same as the probes over here. Beside this, you will need to write, you'll have your recommendations here after the current tier and current round. The recommendations. Also have a drop-down menu here. You'll choose that. Also, you'll need to type in your reasoning here in this column. Next to that, you'll need to choose your current intervention, whether that is working. And we'll type Y. Also, you need to enter if they are in reading, the tier and round for that, so we know if they're in reading as well. There's also a place for additional comments there. Your homeroom will already be filled in. Thank you for filling this information out for us electronically. By doing this, you can keep track of your students' performance as well as eliminating the paperwork for your math ATM. By having it electronically, when a student moves, we can mail merge all this information into the appropriate forms to pass along to the next school or next district, wherever this child may go. No more worries about the pink folders. The only documentation that you will need to keep is the Tier 1, Tier 2, and Tier 3 intervention sheet that keeps track of the interventions that you are currently giving. Thank you again for watching this installment of the Man Professional Development Podcast.